Have you ever been trapped inside your own head, where even silence is loud and peace feels impossible? You play out conversations that never happened, worry about futures that haven't come, doubt yourself for simply being human. Sometimes our thoughts are louder than the world around us. You sit quietly, but inside, everything is noise. What if I fail? Why did I say that? Am I even good enough? If you have ever been stuck in this loop, if you're tired of your mind dragging you into places your heart does not want to go, then this message is for you. In the Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna does not ignore the struggle. He sees it, he understands it, and with love, he guides us. In chapter 6, verse 5, he says, Uttaredatmanatmanam natmanam vasadayet atmaiva yatmano bandhuratmaiva ripuratmanaha. Elevate yourself to the power of your own mind and never let your mind degrade you, because the mind can be your greatest friend or your worst enemy. Sri Krishna states that, on one hand, as the greatest benefactor of the soul, the mind has the potential of giving us the most benefit. On the other hand, as our greatest adversary, it also has the potential for causing the maximum harm. A controlled mind can accomplish many beneficial endeavors, whereas an uncontrolled mind can degrade the consciousness with most ignoble thoughts. This is not just philosophy, it's a lifeline. Krishna is reminding us your mind is not your enemy, but it can feel like one if left unchecked. Every thought you feed becomes louder. So, what are we feeding? Fear? Doubt? Past regrets? Instead of wrestling with every thought, what if you gently returned to the present moment, to your breath, to Krishna? What if you reminded yourself, I am not my thoughts. I am not this anxiety. I am not this fear. You are the one watching it all, the witness. And the witness always has a choice. When Arjun was overwhelmed, paralyzed by his thoughts, Krishna did not scold him. He stood beside him patiently. He reminded him of his strength, his purpose, his truth. And today, Krishna is reminding you, don't let your mind pull you down. You have the power not to control every thought, but to choose which ones you listen to. You are not alone in this struggle, and you don't have to figure it all out at once. Just breathe, just trust, and just walk. And if you ever feel like the noise is too loud, come back here, listen to it again, and know that Krishna is always listening, always guiding, quietly, patiently, and lovingly. If this brought you even a little peace, please like, share, and subscribe. Together, we'll walk with Krishna, not perfectly, but sincerely. This is Talk to Sri Krishna, where every question finds a little light and every heart finds a little peace.